Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a bit of an update. Things have been quite busy recently with all sorts of stuff going on. We had the last race at Staunton Quarry, and since then I've been doing service work on bikes and doing all sorts of things, family events as well, so it's taking a lot of time up, so we're a bit behind with some of the video work, but hopefully we'll have some stuff out later this week on the GPX. And I've got a trip to Werndu Quarry on Saturday to do some training with Carl Venture and the guys. I'm taking the KTM for that training session. But I'm just in the workshop at Eurotek now. I've been working on a few bikes in the last couple of days. Behind me, we've got a GasGas on the bench. That is one of 3 bikes I've been building. The first one went out yesterday, and I'll just show you this second bike. They're all going to be identical bikes. This bike is just lacking the graphics and suspension work at the moment, but everything else, I'll talk you through it. So it's GasGas 300, current model. We'll start, we've just fitted a gripper seat on. Nice red gripper seat, really good. And we've now also got different handlebars on, some twin walls, Renthals. We've got some Arietti grips on this. And Krieger pull strap. Enduro Engineering rat braces there on the front. S3 flange guard. Really nice bit of kit that I really like that, nice and blingy, strong as well. We've got a fan kit fitted. We've also fitted a Kickstart on this bike. As you will know, the GasGas Husky KTMs don't come with a Kickstart. Now we're standing on the 2 strokes. AXP sump guard with linkage protector, A-service frame guards there. We've gone for an Enduro Engineering rear disc guard on the back. Just moving around, just making sure I don't forget anything. And gearing wise, we've gone for 1248 gearing on this. Super Sprox rear sprocket. New tyres on and mousses. Got a super soft mousse in the back with to complement the tyre for hard enduro riding. And we've got obviously a Mitas C19 up front with a mousse in. The tyre at the back is a Metzeler. So it's been quite an interesting build as this. It's taken quite a bit of time, as you can imagine, having to take the bike apart to put all these bits on, and there's certain jobs you can do and you can't do without taking another bit off to complete it. It can be quite complicated. And the customers also asked for a 9mm master cylinder, so we put a Brembo master cylinder on this bike, and to do that we've also had to change the hose to complement the master cylinder because it's different. And he's got some bar ends as well, just to protect the end of the bar, because he doesn't like the wraparound style handguards. They're going to get some flags on there, some flag type handguards. So what's left to do on this really now is suspension work, front and rear, and graphics. I'll just show you a photograph of the bike that went out this morning with the graphics on. So yeah, busy at the moment. Back later this week with some stuff with the GPX, and I'm at Werndu on Saturday, so stay tuned. Hard Enduro and Adventure Media at Eurotek and on at Robo's GPX at Dirt Bike page. See you soon, guys.